Welcome to our 3D printing production center. We have dedicated facilities for resin, nylon, and metal production. Today, we're taking you inside our metal additive manufacturing workshop to show you how a digital file becomes a finished metal part. Let's take a 316L stainless steel part as an example. Once you send us your 3D file, our engineers review it for manufacturability, prepare it for printing, and produce it right here. We operate 5 metal 3D printing facilities across China, giving us the capacity and flexibility to support projects of different sizes. Backed by Unionfab's equipment and technical expertise, we provide reliable SLM metal printing solutions. Our team includes more than 20 experienced engineers who can help optimize your design, build orientation, and support strategy based on the part's application, material, and accuracy requirements. The goal is simple: reduce trial and error, shorten development time, and deliver a part that works for you. We know speed matters in product development. For standard projects, we can usually provide a quotation within 24 hours and complete metal part production in 4 to 7 days. Final lead time depends on the material, part size, quantity, and post-processing requirements. With nearly 20 years of experience in industrial 3D printing, we're equipped to handle complex geometries and fine features. Our metal systems offer a build volume of up to 430 by 340 by 400 millimeters. Depending on the material and geometry, we can achieve wall thicknesses down to 0.5 millimeters, holes as small as 0.2 millimeters, and certain 45-degree overhangs without support. Our engineers will confirm the achievable specifications for your specific design. Metal 3D printing is only part of what we do. We also offer SLM, SLS, CNC machining, and other manufacturing services. Whether you need a functional prototype, a low-volume production run, or a solution combining different materials and processes, we can recommend the right approach for your project. Today, we've supported more than 80,000 business customers across industries including automotive, industrial equipment, electronics, and automation. If you're developing a new product or looking for a customized production solution, send us your 3D file, preferred material, quantity, and application. Our engineering team will review your project and provide a tailored quotation. Unionfab, on-demand precision parts, from prototypes to low-volume production.